Alright guys, Bald Wookie. Today we're playing Power Drill Massacre. Just came from the dentist. My mouth's still half numb, but you know what, we'll do this anyways. I'm sorry my words, I'm not drunk, my tongue's numb, so I'm trying not to bite it as well. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to play this game. See how this one goes. This one looks terrifying. Alright, let's try this out. Full experience. Sorry. We started earlier.
No comment about
Recording to make sure it's working properly.
it's from the church of the great.
International Conference on AIDS. Among the most controversial proposals of the President's speech was calling on states to offer routine testing for those who seek marriage licenses. In sports, Phillies beat the Dodgers 3-0. Weather tonight, fair and cooler, low of 55.
Oh my. This is the worst headache ever. There's traffic, but I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight on the front. Oh, this is bright. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll find home. Is that Jeff on the bottom right there? Look at that. Oh my god. Maybe coming up there. Looks like we brought a flashlight with us. Will you pick up a flashlight? Got a flashlight. Again, sorry if I'm slurring my words, guys. I just got this dental stuff done. Alright, so we got a flashlight. Alright, so the path obviously goes in front of us. Hey, Jeff! Wiggle your toes if you're okay, Jeff. Alright, Jeff. Bye-bye. Let's see here. That's Brent. There we go. Sure does look like a silhouette of a building. Maybe I can use the phone. They don't look approachable, but we'll try. curious to see how this video comes out. It's just like, can't understand what I'm saying. Oh, what the heck? Looks like some kids drew Pentagon back here. It did. Really dark. At first it was really bright. Oh, there it There you go. Alright, let's go, Megan. Me and you. This door is open. Should we knock? Go inside? Go inside. You can not knock. Like this game gives you no other choice. Lexi spoke. Well, what's your name, Jeff? Guess we'll go inside. What people building? Yeah, let's go inside. What idiot. Can't see it. Can't leave yet. Gotta find it. Can't see it in anything. What? Megan, there's something I need to tell you. Pick you up on Tuesday so we can talk. What's going on here? No. sorry, there was background noise. It looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it. The search continues for the 2 missing campers in Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Lori Summers of Long Island, New York, have been missing since June 8th. Their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have few leads. Police say there are no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. Stated August 1982, 5 years ago. Sound effects. Okay, so I got a green key. We're getting somewhere. It's like not loading or scavenging. Oh, green key? Green door. Game doesn't have like a battery life or something like that. Those games are so much stress. It's locked. Can't watch it. This game's so quiet, bro. It's terrifying. There's a note tucked in the corner. Read it? My name is David Ashford. My address is 3656 Coburn Hollow Road, Deer Creek, Massachusetts. I think I'm going to die here. I'm hiding this note and hope somebody will uncover it and know the truth about what happened to us. Somebody came to our campsite in the middle of the night, and is this one of the missing dudes? Doesn't seem like this note's finished. Oh god. is a ton. Like, this is a maze down here, dude. Oh, yeah, America. Is this a school? Is this like a school? Factory? What's going on? Oh, shit! Oh, my God! Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh my God, dude. Whoa. What the heck was that, dude? Oh, right in the beginning? Kinda lost where I was going. Oh shit! How am I supposed to do anything? Oh my God! Okay. What the hell's going on here? Okay. We're gonna go change the camera back to this. Can I see better? Do I have my key? Okay. So it's where I left off. But I have a key. So I keep the items I had. Man, I don't even know how to move in this game. It's just so hard to see. Here's somebody running. Bro! Bro! Oh my God! Okay, so first person is going to be where's that? No. Okay. What am I supposed to do here? Again, I'm not supposed to die. Running so hard. So quiet. Oh, what's the tunnel? Maybe a different location. I'm just wandering, dude. I don't know where I'm going. I'm assuming I'm supposed to just look for those glowing bits. Oh, this is like a certain death trap, Joe. Get out of here. What? What is going on here? I wonder who was sitting here in the dark. Just facing the corner, dude. That's terrifying. Come on, dude. These things are surely gonna kill me. Oh god. I hear him. Whoa. Holy cow. Look at this. Holy cow. That looks nice. I think these are... Is that him knocking on the door? Oh! Come on, bro. Oh, come on. Yo. What the hell is that? Oh. Who's this guy? Ah, no! And death and hell and chastity, whatever. Holy cow. What am I supposed to do with that? Holy cow, the game just ended. What was that? Holy. Is that the game? Okay. That was terrifying. I had to do some more research. I don't know if that was the end of the game. What was that? What happened? Holy cow. Okay. Bald Wookiee. Sorry for the mouth. See you later.